change up breakfast today and make some toasty and delicious coffee French toast. Coffee, 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 coffee mine. Okay, to start, get a large bowl and add 4 large eggs to it, and then get 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and add that to your eggs along with 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1 whole cup of milk, and whisk that all together very well until the instant coffee is all dissolved and you got a nice uniform solution going on. And then add that to a shallow dish for you to soak the bread into. And then get your bread. You can use thickly sliced Texas toast or just regular sliced bread. And then cover each sides of the bread with the solution right there. Don't soak it too much, otherwise the bread will fall apart on you and you will not be able to fry it in the pan very well. And then once you've done that, heat up your pan and add some oil to it. Make sure the oil evenly coats the pan, and then fry up your bread. Make sure that each side is toasted on the pan very well, about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. And then get your bread from the pan and add it to a plate and enjoy it with some icing sugar and some cinnamon. I really like this bread. The coffee flavor is not too strong. It's just a different flavor from your regular French toast, but the coffee, like I said, is not very overwhelming, and it's just a overall good French toast that you're going to enjoy in the morning, especially if you're a coffee lover like myself. And once you've added your sugar and cinnamon, you can then make some coffee maple syrup. How do you do that? Well, you get 2 ounces of syrup. You can use just butter flavored or maple syrup, whatever. And get your 2 ounces of syrup and then put them into a bowl right there. And then get some cold brew. And once you've got the cold brew, you can add that about half an ounce of cold brew to the syrup and mix it up very, very well. And then you've got some nice and delicious coffee syrup to add to your French toast with icing sugar and cinnamon, and it just smells lovely and it tastes lovely as well. Make it if you got the time and enjoy it. Thank you for watching on Coffee Mine.